We're well equipped. Let's rebuild this boat, guys. All right, we are on our way to do what, Ben?
Today we need a battery for the boat because our battery is given up.
What kind of battery is it?
So it's a pretty big battery. I think it's a old truck battery, something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, having a look at what Troy has to offer, and yeah, going from there.
Okay.
Ya zamani inafanya kazi lakini ilikuwa inafanya kazi alafu sasa hivi.
You need that because to keep you know.
Yeah, otherwise it kills the battery. Yeah.
Okay, let me recap that because I don't think it was quite clear. We're going out to get a battery for the bilge pump. The bilge pump is in the boat to pump water out when it comes in, for example, through rain.
Here, as you can see, this wire we put in already, and it comes out here and goes to the solar panel, which is on deck. And then this wire, we've sort of jerry-rigged it through the cupboard down to our battery.
Down here, big old white, and we've sort of jerry-rigged it to the battery, and that's been pretty jerry-rigged to our bilge and float switch, which are down here. And then, yeah, this is what we're going to use to connect the bilge to that white pipe or beige pipe there, and that should pump out water. So again, which was the bilge? That's the bilge pump. This thing, that's the bilge pump. This is the bilge pump.
The bilge is this entire area.
The bilge is this entire area. This little white boy here is a tube. A tube?
Yeah.
And very important boy, this guy. And this guy is connected to our solar panel, which is connected through this.
Yeah.
I suppose. All right. So quick math. This guy plus this guy plus this guy plus this guy equal success.
Yes. Okay, so let me grab the things.
All right, so we exchanged this old boy for this brand new little thing, and we're going to attempt to reinstall this whole contraption so that the pump will pump out the water out of the boat using solar energy. Ting 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 ting.
That is the plan. Basically, I was super flustered this morning and I forgot my tools. So I'm running with what was scavenged from the beach.
We have tools.
And
oh wait, never mind. We're well equipped. Let's rebuild this boat, guys.
And I just realized I'm gonna have to strip more of this wire, and I don't have anything to do that with. So that's gonna be fun.
Well, at least we have USB.
Wish we had music.
Yeah.
We also forgot our speaker.
Of course. We'll blend in some nice background music for you guys. contribution for today. And I remember it was like, I don't know, 1.5 years ago or something. I was watching a YouTube video of this guy who had bought up this huge land and built himself like a little mini house with a fucking own garden and a farm and all these farm animals and like building everything himself. So I was like, oh, that's so dope. What am I doing? I'm just sitting here in front of my computer. Now I'm here. And I'm kind of like, oh, I wish I was sitting in front of my computer. Yeah. Fuck.
When in doubt, whip the teeth out.
That does not apply to every situation, gentlemen.
Yeah, the solar is working.
Okay, cool. Pro hack number 1. If you want to test whether something is working.
Electrical.
Exactly, you just touch it. And if you get an electric shock,
Yeah.
then it means that it's working.
Yeah, that's Ben's tip of the day. So, here you can read on our charge controller that there is charge going in to our battery. Our battery is almost full. It's at 12.6 volts. Or is that what charge is going in? Either way, something seems to be working. And over here we have Honett unscrewing some parts.
Yes. Alright, little update. We have proceeded to attach the pipes to one another, resulting in the realization that one of them is too loose and then it doesn't sit on quite tightly.
So then we do the Tanzanian specialty.
There you go. Alright, so Ben's tying the 2 pipes together.
Using some old inner tube.
Yup. Meanwhile, we can play the game. Will it infect or not? Comment down below. This is a good moment to learn, reflect and learn.
To plan your steps before you execute them, because now I have to do this.
Yeah, he's gotta go all the way down there. On the bright side of things, the discovery of the day. A little hat. Heyo! Are we finding this sound to be positive?
Very positive. This is great news.